घटिया है, मतलब जो T-Spines 2 वर्जन है which works with 4 वो घटिया है। घटिया का मतलब इट्स नॉट रिजॉल्व, उससे कुछ चीज़ें जो हैं जो क्रिटिकल होती हैं वो होती नहीं है। जैसे मेन चीज़ जो है वो ये कि तुमने कुछ ज्योमेट्री बनाया, इट नीड्स टू मैच टू सम कर्व्स, जैसे कि हम जो सरफेस ड्रॉ करते हैं मैचेस टू सम कर्व्स। T-Spline इज अ फ्री मॉडलिंग टूल, वो 2 में सारा तुम वो मैच ही नहीं कर पाते हो उसको। तो टॉय वॉय बनाने के लिए, सॉफ्ट फॉर्म बनाने के लिए ठीक है, आई टेल यू व्हाट आई से। So let us, these are all the T-Spline का key commands. Okay, so let us start with okay. अभी इसमें let us say मैं क्या करता हूँ, अब इसमें the user interface is very interesting. Look at this mode here. So objects, vertices, edges, and faces. Okay. So now what I can do is I can select all these faces. Okay, and delete them. Okay, and I can select any of these faces and okay, I can select any individual face and also move it. The rest of the geometry automatically updates. Then I can take a curve in H, okay, and move it. Okay, and it will give you a curvature continuous surface all across all faces. Okay. Then you can choose instead of edges the vertices. So vertices you guys know. So the way you've been using vertices and changing vertices and that. Okay. So the advantage with this tool is that it allows you to not only play with vertices, it gives you better control because you can hold each and every individual surface or each and every individual edge over and above just the control points to manipulate your surface. That's the key advantage over your normal NURBS modeling. Okay, so if you have designed something where you know कि बाद में मेरे को 3-4 ऑप्शन बना के देना है, तो उसको इसमें बनाओ। क्यों? क्योंकि अभी तुम राइनो में अगर कर्व्स को, कंट्रोल पॉइंट्स को खींचते हो और अगर सारे कंट्रोल पॉइंट्स को पकड़ के उठा लेते हो तो तुम्हारे कर्व को छोड़ देता है, राइट? इसमें अगर मैं कितने भी कंट्रोल पॉइंट्स को पकड़ के कहीं पे भी खींचूं, okay, all my curves will get automatically updated. So I have never this problem of that the surface will open up. वो फट जाएगा तो मैं how will I fill up that gap?
It's kind of record history in that way. You're moving the curve and the surface is getting updated.
Yeah, but it's not recording anything, so it doesn't remember the last. It will keep updating every time. It has an algorithm which will ideally manipulate everything and create the new form. So इसमें काम करते हुए you will keep saving and keeping. Let's say I like this form. So I will Control C, Control V, put it in a layer, and then keep playing. Then again I will Control C, Control V, put it in another layer, and then keep playing. Okay?
Can, if you are building a model, we'll have to start the model in T-Spline. Can we have an original model and convert it into T-Splines and do this playing?
If you have any trimmed surfaces, you cannot. I will explain you what. See, it works with original surfaces, which means that in this surface there is no trimmed surface. Okay? What does this mean? So let us say I take a circle and I go to the top view and I just create this circle and I trim करते हैं. Let let us say I trim this surface with this curve. See what it did. It created a nerve knot. उसने जो तुम्हारे बड़े बड़े सर्फेसेस थे उसको तुम्हारे बहुत सारे स्पैन्स में चेंज कर दिया और it has created a model which is, if I explode it, 4 cornered surfaces. Okay. Now this particular central surface is now, because a trimmed surface, see, understand, a nerved surface पराठे खाने में नहीं खा रहे, दूध पिलाऊं, मीठा खोल के 2 गिलास के लस्सी पिएगा, मक्खन मार के, तो खड़ा होके थोड़ी अंगड़ाई वंगड़ाई ले, बॉडी सेट कर, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। Okay, so nerve surface. The main condition of a nerve surface is that it is basic geometry of a nerve surface is a 4-cornered surface. तुम triangular surfaces भी बनाते हो, तुम और भी shapes के surfaces बनाते हो, but that is an auto generation tool that Rhino has created. If you will explode that, it will again split into some surfaces, or it will create a big 4-cornered surface and it will be trimmed with those 3 curves. समझ रहे हो? कोई भी surface जो आप बनाते हो Rhino, उसका एक इधर कर्व होता है, एक इधर कर्व होता है, वो 2 कर्व्स का definition से वो surface होता है flowing across. So it's a single rail or a 2-rail surface. Essentially every surface is that, and that is the core of a nerve surface. Okay. Now if we go back, Control Z, Z, and see this. Now, this is also a T-spline surface where I can pick up any of these and move anywhere, or I can pick up any of the edges and move anywhere. Okay. अभी तक मैं जो आपको मैनिपुलेट करके दिखा रहा था, that was only, ये look at this here, it is only translate. ये देखो ये, this is only translate. अभी तक I was only showing you कि आप faces से, object से, vertices से, edges में move कर सकते हो. Okay? Now I show you if I shift from translate to rotate. Okay? तो अभी now let me pick up, let us say this particular, I go to edges, I go to edges. Let me pick up this particular edge. Okay. अभी देखो ये पूरा का पूरा change हो गया. It has become a round circle thing. Why? Because here my manipulator is rotating. So I have manipulators which are scale, जब ये रेक्टेंगुलर डब्बा आ जाए तो स्केल, जब ये सर्कल आ जाए तो ट्रांसलेट, और जब ये आ जाए तो रोटेट, राइट? So now I can hold this and see I can rotate, and the rest of the geometry automatically updates. Okay. Now I can in this also let us like this. So in this now I can also define symmetry. So I say okay, select these lines to apply symmetry to, that is this one, enter, and then it is saying discover. So I discover this particular edge, and it has discovered that that is my symmetry plane. Okay? Which means that now if I hold this particular edge and I move it out, I have total control on the object. It will move both ways. Okay? So I can have my form very quickly resolve, define, changed in whatever way I want.
ये NO4 में नहीं है डिस्कवर सिमेट्री एज
करता है पर कभी काम नहीं करता है, वो कष्ट करता है.
But this symmetry feature works only on an already symmetric object, no?
No, you can, if it's not symmetric, let's say you refine one side, the other side is old, it is not refined. So you can select which side you want to make symmetrical, you can make it symmetrical. So if something is wrong on one side, you can correct that also. But it's like creating one side and replicating it onto the other side as a mirror command. But here, after mirroring, you can keep viewing your object, which is a great thing. Okay? Now, I will show you something interesting, which is called extrude. इसमें कुछ एक और interesting tools है. This is a very nice tool. In this tool, you can select continuous. So I have to pick up this edge. Let's say I have to pick up all the edges. I just click on this. It selects all edges. Okay? Now there is something called here extrude. If I extrude, then I'm not moving my base geometry. वो जो curve है वो वहीं का वहीं रह गया. I have, now I will show you some more magic. Okay. Now let me scale this image. So I've taken an edge, and now I can play and scale that edge and open or close my hardiness. Dal makhni, Mr. Pathas, kahani. Okay. Symmetry. Okay. So with scale, see the advantage of this tool is that I can create a lot of toy shapes very fast, organic shapes very fast. So your object, if it has to be done with this tool, or the helmet if it has to be done with this tool, फटाफट होगा. ठीक है? Okay. Now what else can I do with this? I can insert edges. Okay, so let us say I want some shape here that I want to come out. Okay, so what I will do is I will insert an edge. So I choose this and I choose this, and it selects all of them. Okay, and then I create another edge. See, so since I added another edge, now I have the flexibility of again extruding this edge. Sorry, I'm skipping, so I have to go to translate. Okay. And now I can select this edge, and I can again select all edges pertaining to this, and I can just go to scale, and in this plane I can just scale it. Okay, so I have amazing flexibility to do what I want to do, but I have no understanding of dimensions. अभी इसमें कोई भी किसी भी कर्व का कोई मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है? In 2 you can do absolutely nothing. In 3 you can do one thing. I tell you what you can duplicate an edge.
Two what?
You can duplicate this edge.
This is 3. No?
And let us say I move this edge down. Sorry. Translate mode and move this down. Okay. And in the scale mode, I also scale it a little bit outwards. So let us say this particular curve is my NURBS curve that I have traced, and I have made this rough surface. So now in Rhino 3, in T-Spline 3, I have this match command where I can select this edge, select the whole edge, enter, and then select this edge and say enter, and it will say अच्छा इसको ऐसे ऐसे मिलाना है, हम कहेंगे हाँ ऐसे मिलाना है, यूजर रिफाइनमेंट करनी है हाँ 20 बार रिफाइन करते रहो, एंटर दबा दो, उसके बाद वो अपनी वो डिविएशन कैलकुलेट कर रहा है ऊपर। ओके, अगर वो तुम 20 बार उसको नहीं बोलोगे तो वो जो भी करेगा वो कर्व से भी मैच नहीं होगा। अभी एटलीस्ट वो 0.0009 के हिसाब से कर्व से मैच हो गया। So this does magic, but it's a completely different way of thinking. Okay, the conventional way of designing will not work here. What you have to do is you have to play with the tool, and while playing think, okay, what is going to be my form. So if you are working on projects like that, where I have a rough idea of what I want, but I will refine the form playing around with clay, then for those things use T-Spline. If you have a helmet and helmet type form में थोड़ा stretch करना है, मजा नहीं आ रहा, थोड़ा और stretch करना है, थोड़ा कट को थोड़ा इधर move करना है, थोड़ा इसको इधर move करना है, then use T-Spline. But for whatever you have to do for your courses and whatever you will do in real life for the projects, until unless you start doing plastic toys, or you CG animation and that kind of thing is you have to do where you have to quickly make one cup, one mug and show a transformation and then show an animation. ये पहले mug था ऐसे transform हो गया. Advertising के लिए कुछ उस तरह का कुछ काम करना, then it's very useful. Okay?
In T-Splines, you can't take curves and make a surface with it and then manipulate it the same. Is it always an object?
No, you
You
can.
can take surfaces and
Yes, you can. But it will not hold to anything. See, the point is, तूने तेरा को है, उसमें एक ये कर्व है, एक ये कर्व है, एक ये कर्व है. तुमने उससे सरफेस बना लिया. उसमें तो कुछ भी पकड़ के चेंज करेगा, तो वो सब चीज को अपने आप ला लेगा. See, understand? In control points, you will make a choice. These 4 control points, if I am moving, the rest is not moving. Okay? Here, if I just want this curve to move, that will not happen. This will also get affected, this will also get affected, this will also. Right up to here, this corner, everything will change. See, you see that black line with respect to the yellow line, right up to the whole damn model is going to change. You move one thing, the whole damn model is going to change. So if you have a set of curves using which you created something, After that, then you have to forget your set of
What
curves.
happened even like rebuilding the surface?
Hello. Yeah. Yeah, this Saturday would be, Friday would be very difficult. I have some customers coming to buy.
Such easy, yeah, that's great.
What is your good
I'm
name?
proud about you, Ran.
Doesn't look like that.
Ashmi. Thanks for inviting me. मैं अभी NID में ही हूँ. I am under your
Don't feel my son.
आपके फेस वाले में आ सकते हैं.
No, see, when we make those 3 drawings, 3 views, now we can check the case. We can try and fit our model into the. What
Who's
was
that?
it there? Anyway, that is not perfect. That's the sketch which you have done.
बहुत थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा अभी क्लास चल रहा है. आपको आने तो आइए बैठिए आप कुछ सीखिए बढ़िया एकदम. हाँ? नहीं पक्का?
From this,
Sandy, when we have made the 3 curves, I mean 3 drawings for all 3 views, now we have the 3 drawings like this. Now at that point, can we shift to T-splines and like we start with the sphere and try to fit in our
You can do
model?
that. You can start with it. That's the whole point. So it's a different way of thinking. You can start with a sphere and a cylinder and try and fit something there in that space. The problem with version 2 is कि उतना कुछ खींच के काट पीट के बना भी लिया तो कर्व के साथ एग्जैक्ट वो मैच नहीं होगा. उसको बैठ बैठ के एक एक कंट्रोल पॉइंट को मूव कर करके अभी भी वो लाइन से पॉइंट 1 इधर दूर रह गया, पॉइंट 2 ऊपर दूर रह गया, राइट? सो 3 हैज एट लीस्ट गिवन यू दैट कंफर्ट फीलिंग कि वहां तक अगर पहुंच गए हैं तो यू टेल द ब्लडी सॉफ्टवेयर एंड इट विल मैच द कर्व. वो भी विद द 20 इटरेशन ऑप्शन. तुम पर डायरेक्ट करोगे तो फिर वो कुछ और बनाता है. ठीक है? So this is a nice technology, but I would say it is like the alias जब version 2 चल रहा था या 3 चल रहा था. So it's like AutoCAD 4. You remember anybody worked in AutoCAD 4 or whatever? Very basic. Right. So in this also we are there. At a certain point of time you will face the limitation अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है? तो उसके बाद मैं क्या करता हूँ? I will drop curves on this as sections. Delete this, use those section curves to build the surfaces in Rhino. Then you build it patch by patch, patch by patch. Then, so you deleted this, you built your surfaces patch by patch. Now you have the curve, so you match with the curve these surfaces.
from this you can remove curves.
Yeah, you can do anything. This is effectively a Rhino surface. तुम कुछ भी करो.
As in, I can extract an isotope.
Yeah.
Push.
And if I have a T-spline model,
If I want to extract an isocurve from here, I can extract it, no problem. I can extract as many isocurves. But they are curves, they have nothing to do with the surface. They are individual curves. तो इसको डिलीट करके मैं उसको Rhino में rebuild कर लूँ, वो भी कर लूँ. नहीं तो I just hold this surface and I say I hold this surface. I have to keep switching this on. And I convert it to Rhino. So here is my Rhino surface. The problem with the Rhino surface now is कि अभी अगर ये edge meet नहीं हो रहा है और इतनी सारी lines इसके बीच में हैं तो उम्र बीत जाएगी लेकिन वो कर्व मैच नहीं हो पाएगा. You know why? Because if I put the control points on, this is where I am. ठीक है ना? So that's why I'm telling you all the time, have your surface with minimum control points so that you can play around with that. Now, T-splines give you a lot of flexibility to play around when it's a T-spline surface. As soon as you trim it, as soon as you do anything to it with the Rhino command, वो बोलता है okay bye bye, now it is your Rhino surface, do whatever you want to do with it. I have given you, I have done my job. ठीक है? So for basic primary forms, this is very nice. तुमको जो मैनिपुलेट करना है उसमें करके इसमें लाके बाकी ट्रिम शिम करके कुछ करना है तो बढ़िया है. ओके, तो इसका जो वो वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स है ना वेब पे, वो देखने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ऐसे बना दिया, फिर सॉलिडवर्क्स में लेकर फिर ये हो गया, फिर वो हो गया. जब करने बैठो तो ऐसा वाट लगता है. Okay, it's also because we have a different mindset. You have created something thinking of your boundary conditions, your curves, your internals, and so on. This is like an artist. Take the clay as a sphere and do something about it. ठीक है? ये नर्व सरफेस, सॉरी, जो कर्व के साथ अटैच किया था ना, जैसे ही कर्व के साथ अटैच करोगे तो तुम्हारे उसके टी-स्प्लाइन सरफेस का भी बहुत बाधा बचेगा. Because you matched it with a curve, it has now on the bottom created so many control points. The rest is still a T-spline surface.
But still surface is smooth, no? Control point ज़्यादा होने के बाद उसको कुछ
वो तो ठीक है, पर अभी मैं नीचे में कुछ चेंज करना होगा तो कैसे करूँ? ये
This
ऊपर
this will not go back to a T-spline surface.
it will go back to a T-spline surface, but then it will वो लाइन को छोड़ देगा. जिस लाइन से फ्रेम किया था अभी हम चिपके थे वो उसको छोड़ दिया. ये देखो, एक कंट्रोल Z किया, ये देखो लाइन को छोड़ दिया तो हम वापस आ गए अपने मिनिमम कर्व पे. समझो? So these are the limitations of T-spline. So play around, no problem, but I feel that it's a year or two away from where you actually can create something which is really precise what you want from your hair modeling.
You cannot convert a nerve surface to a T-spline surface.
I will show you what you can convert and what you cannot. Okay? Let us hide this. Okay, so this is another good thing. A perspective, top view, front view, or right
Yeah,
view,
mesh
नीचे
also.
tabs बना दिए, this is really
Other
good.
things.
Okay?
What is
So let us create a curve here. And let us create a curve here. Okay? It is so convenient doing all this in this. I'm just showing you like becomes how simple once you have this tool. And I know that you've been struggling. I didn't want to show this to you on the first day because otherwise तुम लोगों का पूरा struggle अभी Rhino 5 का बीटा कैसे रेंज में उसमें लगना. You would not have been doing this work. You would have been just trying to figure out कि सबक कहाँ से मिलेगा. Agree ना? Hi. Come. Learn Rhino. Have a seat. Hey, I know. My invitation. Now you can't talk. You're stuck here. She's stuck now? हाँ, आप कुछ कह रहे थे? Extract myself? Sorry, Rhino mode. Exclude the extract. Let me see next Friday. 30th. It will not work. Is किसी का इनबॉक्स चल रहा है, वेब चल रहा है, किसी का चल रहा है। एक मिनट देखो, एक ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद में एक कॉन्फ्रेंस है, वहाँ पे मैं